Modify, raise or lower code will very simply adjust the elevation of a code on the current cross-section with the option of using a transition. To do this, we click on Variations, Custom Variation, and then choose Modify, Raise or Lower Code. Now in this instance, all we're going to do is to simply raise the right footpath outer code by a couple of 100 mil over the course of about 20 meters. So we just simply pop in the chainage range, which is chainage 160 to 180. And then we choose our code, which is going to be right footpath outer. And then what we'll say is at chainage 160 there will be no adjustment to the elevation. However, by chainage 180 we'll have a level adjustment of 200 mil. We'll talk about optional inside code in 1 second. I'm going to click Add Update. At 160 we've got no change, but by the time we're at 180 we've got that 200 mil adjustment. So you may decide that some of the internal codes also need to have that adjustment applied, particularly with this footpath. We certainly don't want that footpath slope to be the way it is. So what you can do is choose the optional inside code. So to show you how this looks, we'll pick right footpath inner and then click Add Update. And you can see that that code has also been adjusted in combination with the original.